everyone. So let's continue with our yet amazing video where we will be talking about how manifestation is related to your subconscious mind programming. Now, before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, please share, and please like the videos if you are getting a lot of values through all these video lessons. Now, let's talk about what is manifestation. मैनिफेस्टेशन का सिंपल मतलब ये होता है कि जब हम अपनी लाइफ में कुछ भी अचीव करना चाहते हैं और जो उसके पहले हम एक थॉट क्रिएट करते हैं, सो ब्रिजिंग द गैप बिटवीन व्हाट वी थिंक एंड व्हाट वी वांट टू अचीव इज कॉल्ड मैनिफेस्टेशन. सो बेसिकली इफ आई से आई वांट टू मैनिफेस्ट अ गुड जॉब, that means I'm thinking that I want to grow in my career and I want a good job, and once I get a good job, that is what is my manifestation. So now subconscious mind plays a very important role in getting your desired goals, in completing your manifestations, in getting things which you are thinking in your mind in the real world. So for that, let's understand a very important law, which is the law of belief. उससे पहले मैं आपको एक छोटी सी स्टोरी बताती हूँ. We all have heard about this story of a small elephant which was tied with a rope. है ना, उसको एक रोप से बांधा गया था और एक पोल से उस रोप को बांध दिया था. When the elephant was small, he tried to, pull that rope, but he was not able to pull because he was very small. And the more and more he tries to pull, he was not able to do. Now, when he kept doing it for a longer period of time, his neural pathways were programmed or connected with the pain of not coming out from that hole or from that trap. And he started believing that he will never be able to break that rope. He will never be able to come out of that area where he was stuck. And he started believing it because that's what he programmed his mind even after trying multiple times. Now, even when the elephant grows to a bigger, fatter elephant, he no longer even tries to break that rope, because what he believes is that it is very difficult to break this and I will never be able to do that. And that is the law of belief. Now, can you relate that how that small thing or incident which happened back when he was small has programmed his subconscious brain, and he got a belief, and even after he grew up in his life, even after he is much bigger and taller and fatter, he is not able to come out of that belief which he has installed back when he was small. Same thing happens with all of us. We try few things in our life, and it may happen that we don't get success in the initial days or in the initial years. But if we keep that belief in ourselves that I can never make it, I can never do it because I failed it, at that particular moment, we will never be able to manifest bigger things in our life. Now, because you have that belief, the second impact is resistance to change. We do not change, we do not learn new things, we do not try new things because we believe that it cannot be done. And because we are not, ready to change, we vibrate at a negative and low frequency. Frequency of fear, frequency of doubt, frequency of anxiety, frequency of self-sabotage, where we think that we are not worthy enough. And when we have these negative frequencies, we are never able to manifest higher goals in our life, because all good things, all great things in the life have higher vibrational frequency. We need to match to that frequency in order to attract our goals and manifest those goals. So if I want to have raise in my income goal is here, but my frequency is here. I feel that I am not capable. I feel that I am not worthy. I feel that I do not have the resources. I do not have the time. I do not have the skills. Guess what? Are you ever going to match this up? No. The only way you can match is by raising your belief system, by raising your emotional frequency, by raising your vibrational frequency. And the moment you raise it, you will be able to manifest and achieve your goals. So everything boils down to your subconscious mind programming, where you think, you believe, and you act with whatever belief you have in your mind. So I hope this was a very deep message you understood. And in order to, make your understanding more deep, write down few instances in your life where you failed, where you thought that I cannot do this, and because of that belief system, you could not do other things in your life. And I also want you to write few things which you could do in your life. When you tried first time, second time, third time, you were able to achieve that goal, and then that gave you a belief that yes, I can do these things as well. So everything is a game of belief. Always remember, we do not manifest things based on what we want, but we manifest things what we believe. So hope this was useful. Please write your biggest learnings in the comment. I would be really happy to read some of your comments. See you in the next amazing video. Take care. Bye-bye.